Okay, here's a little more on my little greenhouse project. Um, the I use 6 panels, and they're 50 inches each by 16 feet. I spread it out to the bottom to 10 feet, so I had a little bit extra room in there, and I still got plenty of height. Now I put zip ties in here. You can see I left the little tabs on yet, so you can see them really good. But just sort of line them up, put them together. Look how neat that looks. You know, it worked out great. The zip ties are holding really nicely. I put them about every third square, every third opening. Just some pictures of it. You can see it looks a lot neater once it's zip tied together. And if they're bent a little bit or anything like that, you can work that out later or at this stage of the game even. And it's not hard. It does move pretty easy. Does bend pretty easy. But there's plenty of height there. I mean, you'll notice that I put the rails, the horizontal rails, inside so that the plastic on the outside doesn't have to rub up against it and won't be any sharp edges or anything. Now there's where I tied it together to you see my 2x2 rail that it's setting on, and just used a little clamp to hold it in place while I put some screws in, and just used a roll of hanger material for duct work. You can get a roll of it just about any hardware store or Lowe's. There's Ann, and you can see how tall it is in comparison to her anyway. She can't even touch the top. But I mean, there's plenty of room. 10 foot wide and 24 foot long. And here we go, putting the plastic over. And another reason for putting those horizontal rails on the inside was so that it slides right over, doesn't catch on anything. And there's my 10 mil plastic going up, and getting ready to tie it in and wrap it over the ends of the screen that I have there. So that's it for now. That's pretty much it. I just got to put the ends on. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.